Hello and welcome, friends. Today's topic for essay writing is If I Were a Bird. I have divided this essay into three parts: introduction, body, and conclusion. Let us start with the essay If I Were a Bird. The first part is introduction. If I were a bird, I would experience a whole new world from the sky. As humans, we are bound to the ground, but birds have the freedom to soar through the air, exploring vast landscapes and embracing the beauty of nature. In this essay, I will delve into the exciting possibilities and perspectives that being a bird would bring. Now, the body of the essay. As a bird, I would enjoy the liberating sensation of flight. I would have the ability to glide, swoop, and navigate through the skies with ease. Imagine the feeling of freedom as I spread my wings and rise above the worldly matters, witnessing breathtaking sunsets and soaring high above lush green forests. Being a bird would also open doors to discovering hidden places and unexplored lands. From lush rainforests to vast deserts, from icy mountaintops to serene coastal areas, the world would be my playground. As a bird, my days would be filled with unbridled liberty, free to follow my own desires and instincts. I could choose my path, my destination, and my companions. Birds communicate with each other through melodies and songs. As a bird, I would revel in the ability to express my thoughts and emotions through melodious tunes. My songs would carry messages of joy, warning, love, and companionship, connecting me to the natural world in a unique and enchanting way. Now, the conclusion. To be a bird would be a remarkable experience, full of wonder and adventure. While we may not have wings, imagining life as a bird allows us to appreciate the beauty of nature and sparks a curiosity within us to explore and cherish the world around us. So, that is it for today. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.